All right, settle down, guys. We all ready? Okay, positions. All right, that's enough. All right, that's enough. Shh. All right, so you've read the concepts, okay? Got that? I just want to keep it super loose, you know? Just keep it like nice, lots of energy in the eyes. Just if you feel like you want to do anything, you know, just keep it livid. Dangerous is probably the key word. Let's get quick. Nice. Oh, grumpy. Okay. Let's roll sound. Cut there, cut there. It's Liam, Noel, really, really nice. Good energy in the eyes. I like the swagger. We just had a bit of a technical back there, so we're just going to go for just another one. If you want to go back to you first.
No chance, mate.
Just going to just do one more now.
Okay.
Chris Martin did 10 takes. Go and get him. Someone get me a latte.